Video, I will show you exactly how to change to each and every game mode in Deep.io. So as you can see, I am in FFA, which stands for Free For All. I will join up, and I'm in Free For All, as you can see. Okay, so now I will press Escape and change to Pearl Defense, PD. Pearl Defense, now press play, now I will load into Pearl Defense. Okay, so now I just choose an animal, choose, alright, Piranha. As you can see, I'm in Pearl Defense. Okay, so now I would press escape and I will change to 1v1. One player versus another player. Okay, press play. I will load up. Choose an animal. And I'm versing an orca, 1v1. As you can see, I'm in a 1 vs 1 arena, 1v1 game mode. Okay, so I will now change to Team FFA, which is the team version of Free For All. So this is the last game mode. So as you can see, I'm in Team FFA. If I press T, I can join swarms, join teams. There used to be toxic algae, but it seems as if it is not here anymore because there wasn't enough players playing it. Hopefully it comes back. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe.